In this video, I'll be showing you how you can adjust your YouTube channel's chat moderation. So it's very simple and easy. You can adjust the type of comment you want to see on live and even on main videos. Let me show you guys how to do that. So we'll be doing this tutorial on a YouTube Studio for mobile. So I think if you have a channel, you definitely have a mobile, so you can do this. So just tap on the right corner of your screen, your top right corner of your screen, your profile there, and you move to your settings. Good. In your settings, you can see community content controls. That's where you're going to find the moderation for comments and posts and all that. Just tap on that and you can see comments on new uploads, which is for videos, and comments, chat moderation for live, and viewers, that's posts. And you can also block some sort of words, because if you don't block some sort of words, and you can also hold comments that comes with links. So the scammers and the spammers. Sometimes when you post a video, mostly on cryptocurrency, they'll try to lure people. So you have to hold all comments that comes with links that they are trying to redirect people to get victims. So now let's start with the first one, which is comment on new upload. So you can see my new upload, my comment is very much strict, but you can change it to basic, hold all, and blah, blah, blah. If you want to see every comment before you allow it to pop up, you choose hold all, basic, and none, and all that. Simple English. And then on live too, you can make it none, which is every comment someone sends on your live is going to pop up. So basic is going to hold inappropriate words, and the inappropriate words, I've set them here, blocked words. You can use ChatGPT to do that here. So you just give it a prompt. What are the words that you think when people mention it on your channel is going to hurt your channel, negatively. So you just list all of them and then you copy, paste them on here. When you are using the studio for laptop, or you can use it for a browser if you're on a mobile phone. And viewers post too as well. So I have an active community that I get like 1k participants anytime I post something. So you can hold all that here, and who can post subscribers and blah 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 comments and all that. You can do all this too as well. And block words, I've talked about that. And then link test, so people can be posting links on your channel. Yes, you post a video and then they'll go and post a link to redirect, mostly for the fraudsters. Yeah, so you turn that on, so when they post a link, they will send it, but it's not going to appear publicly on the channel. It's going to be held and you can delete it afterwards. So that's it on how you moderate your chat on your YouTube channel via your YouTube Studio for mobile. If you are new here, just give me a like. You have any question, I think I have a dedicated video for how you can hold comments on YouTube channel, but then this talks about everything. You have any comment or any question, let me know in the comment section. That's it for the video. Peace.